Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own non-profit in Georgia. The first thing that you want to do is just scroll down below on this video and click on the link down below in the description. When you're gonna do it, you're gonna be right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that's going to help us start our own non-profit, and I always say that we should focus on running the business, running the non-profit, and if you can invest too much time on how we can start the company, also like understanding all the accounting, all the administration, then we will have no time to actually focus on running the non-profit, running the business. So Incfile is really good because it's going to be secure, fast, and effective way how we can start our own non-profit. So here you want to click just start my business, and then choose this to non-profit, and then find here Georgia. We're gonna do it. You're gonna find 3 packages here: silver, gold, and platinum. With the silver, you're gonna have filling the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. With the gold package, you're gonna have everything, like the full package here. So business tax consultation, unlimited phone email support, corporation bylaws, IRS form, a business tax number they are going to apply for it. So you can see that with the gold package you will have it all, and that's the one that I recommend too. With the silver, you can have option to have an expedited filling, so your company would be filled faster, and also have domain name, business email, business contract templates. So these 3 things, but it's not really necessary to choose that, but if you want to, you can go with that way too. So I recommend going with the gold. That's like the middle way that you can use. So I'll click here get the gold package, and then you have to add first name, last name, and mailing address. So I'll simply write Marcus Elias gmail.com, and now I'm going to add a phone number. So, and then mailing address. That's how we're going to start. Okay. Street address in Georgia. And then write also zip code here. And when you have it, you're going to press next. The next step, what it's going to do, and what you're going to do, you can have like, should your nonprofit corporation have members? And you can simply see most small nonprofits are like not to have a formal membership structure, and thus avoid documenting and maintaining membership roles, as well as avoiding the time and expense of having the members vote on directors and other major corporate decisions. Usually 96% they're not going to have members, and that's what I recommend too, because then you won't have so much administration. Then you're going to choose the general purpose of the nonprofit. So if it's a public benefit corporation or if it's a religious corporation, again, you're going to choose it right here. Then when you're going to do it, you're going to press next. And then you're going to have the state filling time. So you can have 4 weeks filling time or 5 business days, which is going to cost you $150 if you choose the gold package. If you're going to choose the platinum package, you're going to have it much cheaper. So later in this tutorial video, you're going to have option to upgrade for the platinum package, and you will find right there that you can have not 4 weeks but shorter, and with the package you can save more money. So you can simply press next here, and then you're going to have the company information. So nonprofit name, let's say I'm going to marketing Marcus. And let's say my goal, the business purpose of my nonprofit is helping like other nonprofits with marketing or small business owners. So I will click here designator, and I'll simply choose the designator, which can be, let's say, limited or incorporated. Then number of directors, I'm going to have like 2 or 1 or 3. You would choose that. Business purpose, so I will write here, let's say I'm going with 2. Marketing service for small business owners. Industry keyword, and let's say I'm going to write here marketing. And then I'll click here marketing consulting services. But if you're in a different field, just choose a different industry here. Then you can have the company address information here. So what you can have is you can use your own address, or you can use the professional business address and virtual mail service. So these are the two options that you can do. And when you're going to do it, and when you're going to choose the address, then you would simply press next. This is what I was talking about. So here you're going to have options to have a premium service package. So if you want to have your field faster, your LLC, you can also have the business contract templates here, domain name, business email address, and have covered everything here. So you can do it in the beginning, that you would choose directly premium service package. That would be a much cheaper way, and or you can upgrade here. And when you will have it, you will click get upgrade bonus or no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. Then you're going to choose directors here and write it here. So directors. And then you're going to have the officer information. So you have to choose the president. Then you have to choose the secretary. And also the treasurer. And the vice president. So we can read about the roles here, what it means to start every single one of these roles. And when you will have it, you would simply press next here again. And then you're going to have the registered agent information. So here, this is something that I definitely recommend to have with the Incfile, that they will cover it for you. A registered agent receives, forwards, imports legal and tax correspondences on behalf of the company. Of course, you can act as your own registered agent, but I would recommend having it with the Incfile. Now when you're going to have it, just press next here. And then you're going to have the tax identification number. And what it means that Incfile will apply and obtain your employer identification number from the IRS electronically. And it's the fastest way how you can obtain the number. Then you're going to have the physical street address here. And then you can again simply press next. And then you're going to have an option to setting up small business banking with Bank of America. So you can have like Bank of America small business specialist will contact you, and then you're good to go. Then you would press next again. So know that it's time, let's say. Next again. And then you're going to have the free consultation with Incfile. This is something that I heavily recommend to have. So again, you will understand how NonProfit works. Like how to understand it, how the processes work in a NonProfit. So I would have like, yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation. And then I would press next again. And here you're going to have the review order of your own NonProfit. So what you can find there, how it all works. And then when you're good to go, you would click again next. And then you're going to find the billing information here. Card number, street address, first name, last name, everything. And then what you do is just simply click complete and pay. And this is pretty much it, how you can do it. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help and provide you some guidance and support. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. This is how you can easily start your own NonProfit in Georgia. See ya.